So this is probably not going to fit on the short category, but I'm going to make a short video. So I had a customer request a blaster pistol, or a plasma pistol, and he said, can you paint it for me? Because, my hands don't work all that great. And I'm like, identify. I will be happy to put the extra work in and make it as pretty as I possibly can. So, the last part of doing this is taking the tape off the plasma conduit, plasma power thingy, and making sure, I hope, none of the other paints got through and screwed it up. Well, good news. It did not mess up. However, I might need to do a little bit of extra cleaning, but as you can see, there's a little bit of dust on the coil. But there it is. I had to ask a few people who I do play 40K, and I love Marines, but I like Chaos Marines and Orcs, so I don't know as much about color schemes and iconography for the different Space Marine chapters. But thanks to Carl Rule, he gave me advice on the Blood Angels weapon iconography and general paint schematic. I've done my best simulation of beat up, been seeing some battles, metal scrapes, tears, where it looks like it's seen some action. I put on a nice, beautiful powder coat, so as you can see, it really catches the light here. Looking awesome. Added a lot of nice depth. Can't really make it out all that well on the camera, but the powder coating added a lot of great depth to the pistol grip. I was gambling, I was gonna totally try to get out the lines out of the pistol grip, but I figured, maybe it'll add to the look of it. And the way the powder coat affected the silver of the pistol grip, I'm really happy. I'm going to have to remember to do that on other projects. Plus, I had a happy accident. I was trying to figure out how to do this kind of, beat up, weathered look. And I dropped it. See, I had been painting the gun barrel silver, and I was using a plastic tarp, and I went to go paint the body black, because I was going to put on the powder coat and then do weathering effects through that and kind of make it look like this. Well, I spray painted black all over everything, and just as I'm getting ready to move it, bonk, fell right over. Oh, you should have heard the cussing. My dearly departed daddy would have been proud. He's like, son, now that's a sailor trash smell. But then I picked it up, and it popped. It really popped. It really looked good. So I started dabbing around the gun, and before you know it, I really like it. So, yet another, as they say in Scribble circles, happy accident. This is definitely a happy accident. And unlike on the one I made for myself, This one, you can take the plasma cell out of. Yeah, it's the magazine. Plasma. I magnetized the plasma magazine because I thought it'd be cool. So this is going out to the customer as soon as I can get me and my Go-Go action scooter over the post office. This was actually a lot of fun. I'm going to have to make another one of these again and do this exact same technique, because you don't even think that you do it once, it'll never turn out the same way again. Yeah, I know. Oh well. Practice, practice, practice. You do it once by accident, and then you go back and try to figure out how you did it again, just so you could do it again. That's why I like hobbies. That's why I like modeling. That's why I've always liked this stuff. I think the mice are active in the kitchen. Put out so many traps. Alright, well, hey, like and subscribe to my channel. That's the 3D printing miniature universe. If you see this on Facebook, I also have a Facebook group. That is the mice. Facebook group at the 3D printing universe, or the 3D universe. I forget which one it is. I had to close down the other one because, well, some bad elements got into it. Started a new one. I keep forgetting what the new one is. But you can check me out there, or you can find me on YouTube at well, if you're watching it, you probably know where else on YouTube. But in case you're not, 3D printing the miniature universe with Papa Jester. I'm pretty sure you can type in shorter than that and find my grinning face. I haven't done much with the 3D smoker in a while because I got swamped with. I still haven't even finished this guy yet. And I really feel bad because my customer's waiting for that one. Plus, he put in an order for another one, and I haven't even gotten to printing that yet. Because I've just now got halfway through all the orders that should have been done a week ago. Yeah. But I still keep trying to do the Absurd Gamer on Twitch and posting videos on YouTube until Twitch says, hey, you got enough people that followed you, you can post videos now. Yay! Thank you, Papa Twitch. So remember, please, like me and subscribe to me. Share me with your friends. If you think I'm weird now, wait until I'm high. Sorry, I couldn't hear you. I was high.